Come give me the lift. Yeah. Hello and welcome to all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, I've put together numerous amount of videos so that you guys can sit back and enjoy. And also for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and hit the notification button and let me know what you also think in the comment section about the video. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now that my inspection has passed, I'm going to be putting on my cover. So hello and welcome back all my subscribers to another wonderful and beautiful day. In today's video, let's dive into today's video, which will basically be me installing these temporary heaters. As you can see, I have some heaters placed in every other room on the second floor. So that will be the heater that's going to be connected eventually. And as you can see, my nameplates, all the information I need is on this heater. You can see all the marking. It's basically what we're looking for. And once that is all there, then I pretty much am good to go. As you can see, the marking here, they have it in French and they also have it in English. So as you can see, they've started to mud, but obviously it's not going to dry because these heaters are not up and running. So they're basically at a standstill right now until I can connect these heaters. They've started mudding, but like I said, they're basically going to be wasting the mud because it's not going to do what it needs to do if it's not hot enough inside this room, or even hot enough inside of the house. So that's one heater there, and as we go into this other room here, there's another heater which will cover this this whole entire area with heat. Obviously, like I said, they're not done. I'm assuming they cannot continue because it's not going to dry in time, and I'm not really sure why they started. As you can see, they've started all of this second floor here, but without heat, they start wasting material pretty much. Also, as you can see, I have all the material I need to basically do the second floor for temporary. So I'm going to be using some tech cable today. Fast and quick, efficient, does the job, along with my dryer, my stove outlet, and my boxes. And I have all my other sets of supplies that I need here. And we go into this room here. So this is the closest room to the panel. As you can see, the panel is behind this wall. So I'm basically going to be making a hole somewhere along here. And I'm also going to be taking 2 cables out so I can take the other cable into the other room. And that should pretty much power up the 2 heaters. Obviously, the cords were supposed to be 10 feet long, I was told, but they're not long enough, so I will have to purchase more wire when it comes to the time to connect that other heater. So as we wind down to the end of the video, I would like to thank all those who has stayed tuned to the video, and also I would like to also thank all my subscribers who continue to support the channel. For all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, all those who haven't, you can go ahead and hit the notification button. Make sure that it's turned to all to stay up to date to the content, and also you can also like and share and subscribe to the videos also. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. To my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next live.